Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from Savage Camp, and in this video we are going to make a short program, and I'm going to keep it quick because I'm writing the whole program in front of you so you can see how to use inheritance while writing your code. But I'm not going to explain everything because for the last 3 videos we have been working on these concepts, so it should be more familiar. We'll use the same structure, and let's start with it because it's going to be a big one. So I'll create a class of animals and initialize the class with a name. And I have a list over here that I'm just going to paste. And this list is just land animals and sea animals. So what I will do is self.name is equal to name. We have to assign it to self.name so we can use it in other classes. So this name animals is going to be set over here, and then I will say if self.name in land animals, then self.land is equal to true. If self.name in sea animals, then self.sea is going to be true, and over here I'll initialize them to be false. So self.land is false and self.sea is also false. So all this program is going to do is set if the animal is part of the land animals list, or it is a part of a self sea animals list. So let's create a class for land animals, and this one is also going to take the name in the constructor, but we are not going to set the name. We are going to import the name from here. So I will call the super class and initialize it with the name. So we are getting the name from the animals class, and let's create a can run function that is going to check if the animal belongs to self.land. Now here is the power of inheritance. I don't have self.land over here, but because I imported, I need to pass in animals. But because I imported animals, I can use the self.land from this init, like this constructor. I can use it in this function, not even the constructor. I'm using it in the function. So if self.land, I'm going to print yes self.name, which we also set from the animals class, is going to be can run, else print f. So let's copy this. No, self.name cannot run. And then I will also make one more check. If self.sea, then print although self.name can swim. And you can guess what the next class is going to be. It is going to be named as sea, which will also have the similar programs functions. So sea will also take in animals. So we have self.land and self.sea from the animals class, and I will copy paste the above code, and all I'm going to do is change this to can swim. If self.sea, it can swim, else self.name cannot swim, and if self.land, self.name can run. So this is the whole program. We are getting the name from animals. Let me bring this over. So we are getting the name from the animals. We are setting the name. If it is part of land animals, we are setting the land as true. If it is part of sea animals, we are setting sea as true. And then we have land class that is inheriting animals. So it is inheriting these 3 variables. We are going to check if the animal that we were given is going to be a part of self.land. If it is a land animal, it can run. else you can check if it is a part of C, it can swim and you can print it out. And same goes for C animal. So let's come to the end and initialize A1 for animal 1, land, and I'm going to pass in dogs. And let's do A1 can run, and we will also pass in A2 is equal to land of, let's pass dolphins, and A1 A2 can run. So we are checking one land and one sea animal in land, and we will do the same thing for C. Let's go with a sea animal, so it would be, let's go with shark. So C, I'll print some spaces, and then B1 can swim, and then we'll pass in B2 is equal to C, and let's pass in cats. B2 can swim. So we'll see what happens now. So if I run this now, you will see dogs, and I can actually do a quick program, like a quick line, print f animal self.name. So let's print out the names so we are not confused. So can swim. So let's run this, and animal is shark. Yes, shark can swim. Animal is cats. No, cats cannot swim, although cats can run. So it is checking the self.land and making sure that we at least say that. And the same goes for dogs. Dogs can run. Dolphin cannot run, but dolphins can swim. So a short program, but you see how we can build out the classes with the help of inheritance. And again, notice that we did not initialize any variables. Everything is coming from the super class. And that is the power of inheritance. Like, you can import all the variables from the animals class, and you can play with it and create your own functions depending on those variables. So that is it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.